Today's topic is lipid droplets. Lipid droplets are like tiny oil balloons or fat storage bubbles inside our cells. Think of them as the cell's personal energy packets or fat reserves, similar to how you store extra food in a pantry for later use. Here's a simple breakdown of the given text step by step. What do they look like and where are they found? Lipid droplets are round, spherical structures of different sizes floating inside the watery part of the cell, called the cytosol. They are present in many types of cells, but they are especially big and numerous in fat cells, adipocytes, which are the main cells in our fatty tissue, adipose tissue. They are not part of the usual cell, vacuole system. Cells have a network of sacs and tubes, like the Golgi apparatus and other vacuoles, for moving proteins and other stuff around. Lipid droplets are different. They don't belong to that system. They are their own special kind of organelle. What are they made of and how are they protected? Inside, mostly neutral fats, like triglycerides, the main form of stored fat. Outside, they are covered by a thin layer of phospholipids, like a single-layer bubble wrap, and special proteins called perilipins. These perilipin proteins act like guards. They control when the fat is stored safely. When the cell should break the fat down, a process called lipolysis, to release energy. How big can they get? In cells that are experts at storing fat, like adipocytes, these droplets can become huge, up to 80 micrometers or more in diameter. That's big enough to see under a regular microscope and sometimes almost fills the whole cell. What do they do? Main jobs. In fat cells, adipocytes store chemical energy, like a battery for when you need energy later. Act as thermal insulators, help keep body heat in, like wearing a fat jacket. Work as mechanical shock absorbers, cushion and protect organs, like built-in padding. In other cells, they can be a leftover or end product from other processes. For example, in cells that make steroid hormones, lipid droplets are very common because cholesterol, used to make steroids, is stored there. In some special cases, cells can even secrete these lipid droplets, like in the milk-producing cells of the breast during breastfeeding. The fat in mother's milk comes partly from secreted lipid droplets. Now let's recapitulate everything. Lipid droplets mean cells' fat storage bubbles. Floating oil drops wrapped in protein-controlled layer. Big in fat cells, store energy plus insulation plus cushioning. Also appear in other cells for different jobs, steroid making, milk fat, etc. Not ordinary vacuoles, special structures. They were once thought to be just lazy fat blobs, but now scientists know they are active, smart storage units that help cells survive when food is scarce or when they need quick energy. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.